Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Meraj Kidwai. You're watching Vertex, the solution of every need. To know more about me, you can check out vertexthesolution.com. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a quick video on curriculum engineering. Basically, it's an approach for the pedagogical leaderships or the educational leaderships that how can you best bring the output, the learner output and the product of that curriculum in totality, which is extremely important for any curriculum planning, designing, implementation, or I would say for any kind of educational leadership or pedagogical leadership or leadership in general in education. So, what we can do with that respect, ladies and gentlemen, it's important that the structure or the process of developing and designing curriculum requires inputs of the learner's pedagogical leadership as well as leadership of the whole school in general. Okay, inputs in terms of how they can best inculcate various different practices, theories, concepts in the learners, what kind of different measures or ways can be taken, and design them into stages of processes with respect to organization, with respect to implementation and designing, with respect to how it can be well practiced and bring a learner output. So, of course, the curriculums or our learners are different now. The approach is different now in the 21st century educational systems. Therefore, it's important to understand the feedback of the learner. What kind of feedback are you getting? Your product is what you have designed and implemented, or your product becomes something else that you have not expected. So the vision, what the pedagogical leader has or the education leaderships have in their mind, in their mind in general, so how that can be well implemented. For that, input altogether is required for the structured processes that happens, and how well it can be planned and implemented further with a feedback mechanism for the same and the learner's output for the same as well. That should be taken hand in hand, should move together hand in hand. So, for that, overall institutions, the leadership of the institutions, inputs of the leadership of the institutions, implementation, organization of the data, and how well it's adapted by the learners and what feedback you get out of that implementation of the designing and different processes that happen. That all is curriculum engineering. It's an approach to curriculum. I hope this can be implemented in best suitable ways. Definitely we do have other approaches as well, but I think this one will give us a better product because what vision an education leader has, a pedagogical leadership builds, is to refine the product, get the best outcome or a learner outcome, and well implemented with 21st century skill set. So that skill set which we plan and organize or design and implement should be well adapted and received by the learners. So is that working that way, or it's something else? The adaptation is going into some other direction. So that all can be understood with curriculum engineering approach. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. To know more about me, check out vertexsolution.com, and you can get in touch with me as well regarding the same. I hope you all have a great day.